This dance is called Painted Town. It's a 32 count, 2 wall, high beginner level line dance with 6 tags. Starting on the right foot with some toe fans. You're going to leave the right heel where it is, the left foot does nothing. The right toe will fan out to the right, then back to the centre again. The weight then goes on that right foot. Touch your left heel forward, hook the left over the right, step forward on that left, touch the right just behind the left, step back on that right, kick the left forward. That set of steps once more. Toe fans off on the right. 7, 8. Fan, fan, heel, hook, step, touch, back, kick. So it's just a little low kick. Into a coaster step. So you're going to step back on the left, step the right beside the left, step the left forward, scuff that right through. So remember, scuffs, gentle contact with ground with the heel of the foot. Step forward on the right, scuff the left, step forward on the left, scuff the right. That set of steps once more then, coaster step into those scuff steps. Off on the left. 7, 8. Coaster, step, scuff, step, scuff, step, scuff. Add that to the top. Toe fan off on the right. 7, 8. Fan, fan, heel, hook, step, touch, back, kick. Coaster, step, scuff, step, scuff, step, scuff. Add on a rocking chair. So you're going to rock forward on the right, recover your weight back on the left, rock back on the right, and recover your weight on the left. Remember with the rocking chair, that rocking foot, in this case the right, has to move from the front to the back. Your weight has to return onto that pivot foot, in this case the left. Then step forward on the right, hold for 1 beat or count of music, pivot yourself half a turn to the left, hold. That set of steps once more then, rocking chair into that step pivot. Off on the right. 7, 8. Rocking chair, step, hold, pivot, hold. So add that to the top. Toe fan off on the right. 7, 8. Fan, fan, heel, hook, step, touch, back, kick. Coaster, step, scuff, step, scuff, step, scuff. Rocking chair, step, hold, pivot, hold. Into a rumba box. So you're going to step the right to the side, step the left beside the right, step the right forward, touch the left beside the right. Step the left to the side, step the right beside the left, step the left back. And this time you're going to stomp the right beside the left. So when you're stomping, go through on the heel of the foot, don't go down flat-footed. That set of steps once more then, rumba box, off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, step, touch, side, close, back, stomp. That is the end of the dance when we get to that point, so let's put it all together. Toe fan off on the right. 7, 8, fan, fan, heel, hook, step, touch, back, kick. Coaster, step, scuff, step, scuff, step, scuff. Rocking chair, step, hold, pivot, hold, side, close, step, touch, side, close, back, stomp. So there are absolutely no and counts in this dance. But it is a 2-wall dance, so let's have a go at the back wall and we'll keep going when we get back to the front. so you can see how the walls join together. And I am going to speed it up just a little bit when we get back to the front wall. Toe fans off on the right. 7, 8, fan, fan, heel, hook, step, touch, back, kick, coaster, step, scuff, step, scuff, step, scuff, rocking chair, step, hold, pivot, hold, side, close, step, touch, side, close, back, stop, fan, fan, heel, hook, step, touch, back, kick, coaster, step, scuff, step, scuff, step, step, rocking chair, step, pivot, side, close, step, touch, side, close, back, stop. So that is your dance. Now there are 6 little tags in this dance. They come on walls 2, 3, 5, 6, 10 and 11. Quite simply, your tag is step the right to the side, touch the left beside the right, step the left to the side, stomp the right beside the left. That's all there is to the tag. Let's do that once more. Off on the right. 7, 8. Side, touch, side, stomp. So because they come at the end of the walls, let's have a go at wall 2, which is our 6 o'clock wall. Dance wall 2, add on the tag, you'll be facing 12 o'clock when you do the tag, restart the dance. Toe fans off on the right. 7, 8, fan, fan, heel, hook, step, touch, back, kick, coaster, step, scuff, step, scuff, step, scuff, rocking chair, step, hold, pivot, hold, side, close, step, touch, side, close, back, stop, tag, side, touch, side, stomp, fan, fan, heel, hook, step, touch, back, kick. So hopefully you can see how those tags fit in. So walls 2, 3, 5, 6, 10 and 11. You do get a little bit of a warning in the music as to when the tag is coming. And nicely, once you've done the first one, you know you've got the second one. When you've done the third one, you know you've got the fourth one coming. Then when you do the fifth one, you know the sixth one's coming. Because those even tags, 2, 4 and 6, are on the second wall, the immediate wall after the first tag. So they're consecutive wall tags with gaps in between. I'll shout them out to you when we get to them in the music. But that's it, that is your dance, that is your walkthrough, it's your tag information. Let's give it a go to the music. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, hook, step, touch, back, kick, step, 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 rocking chair, step, pivot, side, close, step, touch, side, close, back, step, back, side, heel, hook, step, touch, back, kick, step, 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 rocking chair, tango, side, close, step, touch, side, close, back, stop, tag, fan, heel, hook, step, touch, back, kick, step, 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 rocking chair. Roll, side, step, touch, side, back, top, tag. Fan, heel, hook, step, touch, back, kick, step, 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 rocking chair, step, pivot, side, close, step, touch, side, close, back, step, fan, heel, hook. Rocking chair, next tango, rumba, tag, fan. Rocking chair, yes, tag wall, tag,
Soon as the sun goes down, wherever there's girls and music playing, that's where I'll be found. And I won't be home too late, as sure as the world is around. Spend all my money on some pretty little
Hope you managed that one.